Good morning. Here are the latest updates in Indian politics and sports for 25th March 2025. Political news. Mumbai Comedy Club vandalized following satirical performance. A Mumbai comedy club was vandalized after comedian Kunal Kamra performed a satirical song about local politician Eknath Shinde, referring to him as a Gaddar, traitor. Approximately 20 Shiv Sena supporters attacked the Habitat Comedy Club following the performance, leading to significant damage. Police have arrested over 10 individuals, including Shiv Sena's youth faction leader Rahul Kanal. Maharashtra's Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis and State Home Minister Yogesh Kadam criticized Kamra, with Kadam suggesting an investigation into his activities. The club has announced a temporary closure due to the incident. Protests erupt over control of Mahabodhi Temple. Buddhists across India have initiated protests after monks at the Mahabodhi Temple in Bodh Gaya were forcibly removed by police. Demonstrations are demanding the repeal of a law that grants Hindus a significant role in the temple's operations, highlighting tensions over the management of Buddhism's holiest site. India and US nearing historic trade agreement. India and the United States are close to finalizing a bilateral trade agreement aimed at averting reciprocal US tariffs on key Indian exports. The negotiations have focused on sectors like agriculture, with the Modi government striving to prevent tariffs of up to 12% that could impact India's $75 billion export industry. U.S. trade delegation to visit India amid tariff discussions. A delegation of U.S. trade officials, led by Assistant U.S. Trade Representative for South and Central Asia Brendan Lynch, is scheduled to visit India from March 25 to 29, 2025. The visit aims to discuss trade relations and address concerns over potential U.S. tariffs set to be imposed from 2 April. Sports news. Key players missing IPL 2025 opener. Several prominent players are absent at the start of IPL 2025. Jasprit Bumrah is sidelined due to injury, while Hardik Pandya faces suspension. Additionally, KL Rahul missed Delhi Capitals' opening match against Lucknow Super Giants due to personal reasons, as he is expecting the birth of his first child. Frasers Group to launch over 350 Sports Direct stores in India and Southeast Asia. British sportswear and fashion retailer Frasers Group has announced plans to open more than 350 Sports Direct stores across India and Southeast Asia. This expansion is part of an extended partnership with Indonesian retailer Map Active and will introduce Sports Direct to new markets, including India, the Philippines, Thailand, Vietnam, and Cambodia. Khelo India Para Games underway. The Khelo India Para Games are currently in progress in New Delhi, showcasing the talents of para-athletes from across the country. The event aims to promote sports among differently abled individuals and provide them with a platform to compete at a national level. India prepares for AFC Asian Cup qualifiers. The Indian national football team is gearing up for their opening match against Bangladesh in the AFC Asian Cup qualifiers, scheduled for 25th March 2025. The team has been intensifying training sessions in preparation for this crucial fixture. That's all for today. Please like, share and subscribe this channel for future updates. Have a wonderful day ahead.